Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. You are watching Instagram tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to restrict the people on our Instagram account. If we want to limit unwanted interactions from some people without having to block or unfollow them. Also to control their comments on our posts, we can use restrict feature on Instagram. Once we restrict specific people from our Instagram account, the comments made by that user will be visible to them only and not for the public, and the chart they made will be moved to our message requests, so they won't know when we have read their messages. Once we confirm this message request, then only they will be visible to everyone on Instagram. Log into the Instagram on our Android mobile. Come to their profile whom we want to restrict. Tap the menu button on top right corner and select to restrict from the options. We will be directed to a window where we will get a bit of explanation about restricting a user. If this is the first time we are using this feature, click on dismiss to go back to their profile, or tap on learn more to know more information. And notice that we got you have restricted Gopalachari Karampudi, and after a while if we want to unrestrict a user, we need to go back to their profile and click on three dot menu and choose unrestrict option, account to unrestricted. Similarly, to restrict the user, in their profile click on the down arrow head next to following. From the options select to restrict, and we will get a bit of explanation about restricting a user. Read the information carefully, and if you want to restrict this account, click on restrict account. One important thing that they won't know that we have restricted them, but they are still able to view and like our posts and stories. Now I want to make a comment to my post from restricted user account. Similarly, I will send a message. And to see the comments made by restricted user, come to that post. When we click on view comment, here it is showing the restricted comment made by the restricted user. To view the comment, we need to click on see comment. From here we can approve the comments to make it public, or we can delete it. Also, a restricted user cannot directly send messages to us. Their messages will be moved to the message request section, and we won't receive notifications from their account once we approve their messages, and this message will be posted into public. Like this, we can restrict the people on our Instagram account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. Please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.